Karina here from Knit Indulgence. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a yarn over in triple knitting. It's really simple. So what we're going to do here is we're going to find our first color and we're just going to yarn over and then bring your yarn to the front. Let it hang there. Take our second color, yarn over, bring our yarn to the front, and then our third color we're just going to yarn over. Now what you're going to do is take your second color and bring the yarn to the back, and then take your first color and bring the yarn to the back, and that locks in that third color there. And then you just work your next set as usual. Knit one, bring yarn to front, knit your middle color, bring yarn to front, and then take your back color and then purl. And then take all three to the back. And what you see here is we have our yarn overs all made up into a set. So our gold, our green, and our blue here make a nice little nifty yarn over hole. And then when you're working back the other way, you just work it as normal, knit, purl, purl. And that makes you have a nice yarn over for lace work in triple knitting.